This is a Sky News program in Arabic, Su'al, As'ad, which is translated into English, hard questions, in which the presenter is going to ask Professor Mordechai Kedar questions about the current conflict in Israel.
الذي شجع على إيصال الأموال لحماس لإحداث الانقسام الفلسطيني. في نهاية المطاف أليست سياسات نتنياهو هي المسؤولة أو تتحمل جزء كبير من مسؤولية ما حدث في 7 أكتوبر؟
So this is a very common accusation that goes up against Netanyahu, in which people say that Netanyahu is responsible for Hamas being in power and for October 7th because they allowed the Qataris to bring in suitcases of money into Gaza. But the fact is it wasn't Netanyahu's fault. It was the security establishment's fault to believe that Hamas had become moderated and that their only interest was no longer in terrorism but in governing their own people. So in giving money and allowing the Qataris to give money to Hamas, they were moderating them and deterring them from attacking Israel because that's what they thought their interest was, as Mordechai Kedar explained. Also, it doesn't really matter who would have been in charge at the time October 7th still would have happened, whether it would have been a right-wing or a left-wing government in power.
وأننا جميعا كنا قد اعتقدنا بأن حركة حماس تريد إقامة دولة حمصوية في قطاع غزة، وهم خدعونا وهيئوا العدة والسلاح والذخيرة مع إيران للتهجم علينا كما فعلوا في 7 أكتوبر. ونحن كنا نعتقد بأنهم يريدون التطوير والصحة والحياة المستقرة، وهم خدعونا بلا شك واستطاعوا بذلك، ولذلك هاجمونا في اليوم الأول وقتلوا أكثر من 1000 إسرائيلي.
So this is actually a very important thing to mention, is that Hamas had Israel tricked, and that thinking that Hamas was moderating and that all they wanted was to govern the West Gaza. But the fact is that was far from the case. But on the last operation, Guardians of the Wall, Hamas gave information on Islamic Jihad to Israel, so that was also a key factor in them tricking Israel.
ما يعانيه الشعب الفلسطيني.
لا الأمة العربية لم تضغط على الأردن.
أريد منك أن تستمع جيدا لهذا السؤال. الاضطهاد للشعب الفلسطيني، الترحيل منذ 48، منذ أيضا 67، القتل الجماعي، إلى ما ذلك. ألم تعاني أو يعاني اليهود من ذلك من قبل النازيين في الهولوكوست؟ يعني اليهود الآن يقومون بإيذاء الفلسطينيين كما ينظر وكما يرى البعض، بالضبط كما فعل النازيون في الفلسطينيين.
والد المرحوم كان قد في الحرب في 48 كان في هذه الأرض، وهو قد سمع بأذنيه الصراخات لهؤلاء.
So this is a very common accusation against Israel, saying that Israel commits genocide against Palestinians. The population from 1948 was about 600,000. It's come up to about 5 to 6 million now of people. So that would be the worst genocide in humanity. If you actually go to visit and see how Palestinians live in the West Bank, they have big homes, they have jobs, they have an economy. They don't have the same equal rights as Israelis because they live in a total other government system, which governs them exactly in a different form of government. They haven't voted for years because the PA authority has canceled elections since Hamas won the last election. Furthermore, the people that would really want to commit genocide are the Palestinians themselves. Just listen to what Hamas spokesperson has said. The official spokesperson of Hamas has said he would like to repeat October 7th over again.
بنقدمها وحنقدمها مرة ثانية وثالثة، ومش هذا حتكون طوفان الأقصى أول مرة، لا حتكون ثانية وثالثة ورابعة، لأنه احنا لدينا إصرار ولدينا قرار ولدينا إمكانيات أن نقاتل نعم. وأن نحارب. لكن كما قلت لك بدنا ندفع ثمن. نعم احنا مستعدين. معلش بدي أقول لك بشكل واضح، احنا اسمنا شعب الشهداء.